As you can see, I did a little bit on the roof, and I did finish up the bumper, finished up this other little plastic piece here, and I did get the plastic piece on the back. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Roy here with another episode of Will He Ever Get His Project Finished? Today on Roy's Customs, we are going to be working on the front bumper. I'm going to be sanding down and primering the rear quarter, and I'll probably be working on the door a little bit, see what we got here, see when I run out of primer. So anyways, I do have my brace cut, and I'm going to be mounting my brace on, and then I will be flipping it and working on this lip, working on all of this, smoothing this all out, and getting it in primer too. Okay, so I'm just knocking the dirt out of this just a little bit and scrubbing it down. It'll kind of give it something to stick to. As you can see, it's still furry, and it's obviously very, very rough, so it should stick very well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to staple this across here, staple this piece across here, and then run it back here, and then staple it to the back of this. Whoa! Well, I still didn't make my table wide enough. So anyways, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do here. Just add this and bring it under, and that's one, gonna cover this up, and two, it's gonna strengthen it up quite a bit once I get it connected in the back. I don't see any point in overlapping it, so I'll just take it as far up as I can, and then I'll just brush it into place back in the back. So that is what we are going to do with this. Okay, so I think I'm going to be happy with that. I am going to have to do this all in one go because I forgot to grab another brush, so I'll have to do this in one go because I only have one brush. So anyways, without any further ado, I will get to the next part. Get this all mixed up real good. Make sure that it's mixed up really good. It's probably going to be more than what I need, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So anyways, we're going to get this going here. I do have some left, but hey, whatever. It's alright, it'll harden up, pull it out, no big deal. Anyways, so I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna work on this rear quarter, get it sanded down, and probably shoot it with some primer. I will need to tape the back window off. So, that should actually do for that. I'm pretty sure I got it good. So, anyways, I'll get it wiped down, get it taped off, and then I'll shoot it with some primer. I did get a little bit more done. I did get the rear bumper, and I got the little plastic pieces done, and I got the plastic piece on the back done. I got that stuff done the other day. I tried to upload a video, but we had a storm here, knocked out the internet, and so it messed up the upload. So anyways, I'm just gonna forget about that video and just go with what we got now. Like I say, we are getting progress today. That bumper should be nice and hardened up real soon. It didn't take a real long time to do this. That's the thing, it doesn't take a long time to do. You just have to have the supplies to do it with. So anyways, there you have that. I'll probably work on the door a little bit after a while, but after this gets hardened up, I do want to go ahead and sand it down, rough it up, so that I can start doing the body filler, getting it smoothed out. Okay, so as it's getting darker and darker, this is almost hardened. It's not quite all the way, it's still a little sticky in spots, but it's okay. It is almost done. But what I'm going to do is I'm going ahead and I'm going to mix up some putty, and I'll be working on the upper end, and I'll go ahead and fill this in and get this taken care of. Okay, so I did get to the bottom, and I started smoothing out the bottom here, and started a little layer on this front curvature. So I did get the nameplate, the emblem socket. I actually got it filled in, shaped up, and primered. So that part's done. I am going to have to trim this though. This is just way out of whack here. Just end up trimming it just to make it a little better, a little closer to that. Even though this is never going to get seen on the bottom, I'll still know, and if anything, it'll at least look good if I ever have to take it off. So anyways, and I'll have to trim up here too a little bit over on this side. So and this is pretty decent. This ain't too bad on this side. This is actually pretty good. As far as shape wise, it's not too bad, but what I'm really concerned with is the bottom, and I'm going to get this leveled off, and then of course I'll have to do down here, and I'll have to do and I'll have to do this down here and all this. Like I say, trim this up some, trim this, and then of course do a little bit of shaping. That'll probably be by hand whenever this is all dry and done. I get another layer on. Anyways, well, guys and gals, that is my little update for the day. I appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to leave comments, like, subscribe, get notifications if you want to keep following my progress on the ZX2 project, or just anything that I'm doing in general. Because I usually throw in a few tips and tricks that you may or may not know, or you know, whatever. So anyways, I'm being attacked by moths. Anyways, have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.